Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A South Korean software engineer made a tombstone for Internet Explorer which has been out of use recently after 27 years of service. Stonefish. The smell of a banana stresses male mice out. This is remora, also known as shark sucker. They use the ridges on the top of their head to stick on things. Apple's best Find My device. There is a protein in the body called picachurin named after Pikachu. Box jellyfish, their venom which contains toxins that assault the heart, nervous system and skin cells. You should close the door to your room before going to bed. In the event of a fire, sleeping with your doors locked will help protect you from smoke and poisonous chemicals. Unko no Kuro, produced by Sankt Gallen, is a Japanese brewery that manufactures beer from elephant dung. Converting something from a solid to a liquid takes a lot of energy, and while snow will supply a little amount of hydration, it will also drop your body temperature, leaving you more susceptible to hypothermia. Blue cheese has the power to alter your dreams. Eating blue cheese is particularly related with vivid dreams. It is true that love is painful. A grease fire will be made much worse by water. The universe has a distinct hue. The universe, it turns out, it's beige on average. Cosmic latte was the color's name. You become stupid when you fall in love. Love has the potential to make you sick. Quality time is more than a catchphrase. The blossoms of love are red roses. True love elevated a commoner to the position of Queen of Norway. Love can be found in the strangest of places. Being in love saves your money on doctor visits. Love evolves in stages of increasing intensity, starting as an obsession and progressively maturing into a more mature version of itself. Scent is just as important as sight when it comes to love. The longest marriage in the world lasted 86 years. Being in love reduces the incidence of headaches by half. Love eases chronic pain. The practice of remarriage is becoming more popular. People marry for a variety of reasons, the most common of which is love. Buttercup is extremely poisonous to both animals and humans. Bloodroot. These plants have toxic qualities that can harm humans and animals alike. Marigold. The blossoms are edible, but if taken in large quantities, they can be hazardous. Peace lily, if consumed in sufficient numbers, can cause burning of the lips, tongue and throat. Peruvian lily is an extremely dangerous house plant that requires particular vigilance. Rhododendron. Yarrow. Toxic compounds in the plant can cause allergic reactions such as eczema and dermatitis. Clematis includes potentially hazardous components such as the irritating glycoside ranunculin. Lantana generates a toxin that has mild to severe effect on human and animals, especially livestock. Morning Glory. Its seeds contain lysergic chemicals that are related to LSD and are hazardous. Iris. The severity of poison is often considered low because it contains hazardous chemicals such as irisin, iridin and irisine. Thanks for watching.